Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best stair railing baby proofing is probably one of the most crucial investments any parent can make to ensure their little one's safety as they begin to explore their world, especially around those potentially hazardous staircases that can quickly become a toddler's playground, leading to unexpected tumbles and injuries if not properly secured, making this a top priority for any concerned guardian. Number 5. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Through Baby Gate. Create safe spaces for your little ones and furry friends. This versatile gate helps keep them contained, but never use it at the top of stairs for safety. Setting up your new gate is a breeze. Our pressure-mounted design requires no tools, and we've included wall cups for a secure and flexible installation. Enjoy peace of mind with our Secure Tech indicator. A quick glance at the red to green light tells you when it's securely locked in place. Easily open the gate with just one hand, perfect for when you're holding a child or other items. The handle is designed to be tough for little fingers to operate. This gate is designed to fit most doorways, adjusting from 29 to 38 inches wide. It stands 28 inches tall, providing a secure barrier wherever you need it. Whether for children or pets, this gate adapts to your needs. With included extensions, it can fit openings up to 38 inches wide. What we like? This option offers a super simple, tool-free installation process, which is a lifesaver for busy parents. The Secure Tech indicator gives you that extra peace of mind, letting you know at a glance if it's properly secured. If you're looking for a gate that's quick to set up and easy to use daily, especially when your hands are full, this is a fantastic choice for doorways and hallways. What people say. The railing is sturdy and easy to install, providing a secure barrier for my toddler. I appreciate the adjustable width, which allowed me to fit it perfectly at the top of my stairs. The gate opens and closes smoothly with one hand, making it convenient when carrying my baby. Number 4. Roving Cove Stair Banister Guard, Pearl White. Introducing a premium safety solution designed to protect your children. This guard provides essential security for stairs and balconies, ensuring peace of mind. Crafted from heavy-duty, tear-resistant fabric, it offers maximum visibility while seamlessly blending with your home's aesthetic. You can easily see through it, and it won't clash with your decor. Installation is a breeze thanks to adjustable and reusable cable ties. We include extra long ties for larger posts and standard ones for regular railings, making setup quick and convenient. For added protection, utilize the provided cable tie mounts for a secure fit at the bottom or sides. This ensures comprehensive coverage wherever you need it most. Easily customize the length by rolling back the sides or bottom. Cleaning is simple too, just wipe it down or remove and wash it for a fresh look. This product is thoughtfully designed in the USA to offer reliable safety for your family. Enjoy a secure home environment with this effective and practical solution. What we like? This product is built with a durable, tear-resistant mesh that's designed to withstand little hands and curious pets. The included adjustable cable ties and optional mounts allow for a secure, custom fit around various banister shapes and sizes. If you have an unusually shaped staircase or balcony that standard gates can't accommodate, or if you need a robust barrier that blends into your home, this is the solution. What people say. This stair railing baby proof is very easy to install and adjust. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my home. It effectively prevents my toddler from climbing the stairs. Number 3. Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate. Introducing the Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate. It's designed for your peace of mind. This versatile gate is perfect for doorways, hallways, and even stairs. It offers reliable safety wherever you need it most. Installation is a breeze, so you can quickly secure your home. Enjoy convenience without compromising on safety. Its sturdy construction ensures it stays in place, providing a secure barrier for your little one. You can trust it to keep them safe. The clean white finish complements any home decor. It's a practical and stylish addition to your home. Give yourself the gift of peace of mind. This gate is here to help you create a safer environment for your child. What we like? This gate is designed for maximum flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of openings including doorways, hallways, and stairs. Its straightforward installation means you can quickly secure different areas of your home. If you need a reliable, all-purpose gate that can be moved and used in multiple locations throughout your house, this is a great option for comprehensive baby proofing. What people say. The railing is sturdy and easy to install, providing a secure barrier for my toddler. I appreciate the sleek design that blends well with my home decor, and it effectively prevents my baby from climbing the stairs. The gate opens and closes smoothly, and the locking mechanism is reliable, giving me peace of mind. Number 2. Roving Cove Stair Banister Guard, Almond Brown. Introducing a safety solution designed to protect your little ones. This guard provides peace of mind for busy parents. Crafted from heavy-duty, tear-resistant fabric, it ensures long-lasting safety. The soft, see-through mesh offers maximum visibility and blends seamlessly with your decor. Installation is a breeze with adjustable and reusable cable ties. We include extra-long ties for larger posts and standard ones for regular railings. For added protection, use the provided cable tie mounts to secure the net at the bottom or sides. This ensures a tight and reliable fit. Customize the length by rolling back the sides or bottom as needed. Cleaning is simple, just wipe it down or remove and wash it. This product is designed in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. Keep your home safe and secure for your children. What we like. This option provides a strong and secure barrier using a heavy-duty mesh that's both durable and visually unobtrusive. It comes with a variety of ties for a flexible and custom fit on staircases or balconies. If you prioritize a blend of security, ease of installation with adjustable ties, and a clean aesthetic for your home, this is an excellent choice for childproofing. What people say. The Stair Railing Baby Proofing product is easy to install and adjust. It effectively prevents toddlers from climbing the stairs. The design is sleek and blends well with home decor. Number 1. Ewaves Stairway Net Baby Safety Rail. Introducing the Ewaves Stairway Net, your ultimate solution for home safety. Keep your little ones and pets secure with this durable and versatile safety rail. Designed to prevent accidents, it acts as a reliable barrier on stairs and other areas. Ensure peace of mind knowing your family is protected. Measuring 15 by 2.6 feet, this net is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting protection for your child or small pet. Setting up this safety rail is a breeze. It fits securely around banisters and other structures, providing an effective safety measure without hassle. Ideal for children, small pets, and even keeping toys contained. This black safety net offers a practical and stylish way to childproof your home. Don't compromise on safety. Choose the Ewaves Stairway Net for a secure and worry-free environment for your entire family. What we like. This netting offers a long and flexible solution for securing stairways, suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to handle and install, providing a protective barrier where needed. If you're looking for an adaptable safety net that can cover a significant length of railing and offers versatility for different areas, this product is worth considering. What people say. The railing is sturdy and easy to install. It effectively prevents my toddler from climbing the stairs. The design is sleek and blends well with my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.